Check if string contains only white space. How can I test if a string contains only white space? Example strings. Space, space, space. Blah, blah.
Use the str.isSpace method. Return true if there are only whitespace characters in the string and there is at least one character, false otherwise. A character is whitespace if in the Unicode character database, see Unicode data, either its general category is ZES, separator, space, or its bidirectional class is one of WS, B, or S. Combine that with a special case for handling the empty string. Alternatively, you could use str.strip and check if the result is empty.
str.isSpace returns false for a valid and empty string. Therefore, checking with not will also evaluate none type and or empty string.
You want to use the isSpace method. str.isSpace return true if there are only whitespace characters in the string and there is at least one character, false otherwise. That's defined on every string object. Here it is an usage example for your specific use case.
You can use the str.isSpace method.